When you search for mini fridges, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, H-Ohm Labs Beverage Refrigerator. First up is the H-Ohm Labs Beverage Refrigerator. Priced at $269.99, this fridge has caught my attention for its impressive 120-can storage capacity. If you want a stylish and spacious fridge to keep your drinks cold, this is worth a serious look. That means your drinks will always be ice cold when you need them, whether it's for a party or just a long day at work. It's perfect for organizing sodas, beers, and even sparkling water with its 3 removable chrome wire shelves. And here's why this matters for you specifically. If you've ever opened a fridge and struggled to find what you're looking for, that clear glass door with LED lighting is a game changer. You can quickly see your drink options without letting all the cold air escape. Now, some people complained about its noise level. While it operates quietly, there's still a noticeable hum. Here's the thing though, if you're placing it in a busy office or a bar setting, you probably won't even notice it over the chatter. This is perfect for you if you host gatherings often or need a dedicated drink fridge in your office. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra-compact. For the price, you really get a lot of fridge space and functionality here. Now, if the H-Ohm Labs noise level bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, EUHOMY Mini Fridge Black. Next up, we have the EUHOMY Mini Fridge priced at $209.99. This one caught my eye due to its sleek black design and solid 130-can capacity. If you want a mini fridge that combines style with functionality, this might be your best bet. This means you can keep your drinks at exactly the right temperature, which is vital if you're switching between sodas and wines. The double-layer UV-blocking glass door helps protect your drinks from harmful rays while locking in the ideal humidity. Here's why that matters. It ensures your beverages not only stay cold but also taste fresh longer, which is great for anyone who loves a variety of drinks. However, some users reported that the shelves can be a bit tight for larger bottles. But honestly, if you're mainly storing cans, this shouldn't be a deal-breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish fridge that doesn't take up too much space. Skip this one if you regularly store large bottles. It's efficient and fairly priced, giving you great value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for your needs. Product number 3, EUHOMY Mini Fridge Silver. Our third pick is another EUHOMY Mini Fridge, this time in silver, priced at $219.99. I was drawn to it because it offers the same spacious capacity of 130 cans as the black version, but with a different aesthetic. If you need a fridge that looks great while keeping your drinks cold, this one's worth considering. Like its black counterpart, this fridge has digital temperature control, allowing you to set temperatures between 37 degrees F and 61 degrees F. It's got those removable shelves, so you can customize the space according to your needs. The compressor system provides even cooling, which is essential for maintaining consistent beverage quality. Here's why that matters for you. If you're a wine lover, keeping your bottles at the correct temperature is crucial for flavor. That said, some users mentioned the initial setup can be a bit tricky, but I'll be real with you, once you get past that, it runs like a charm and is easy to use. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a stylish beverage fridge that can handle multiple drink types. Skip this if you want a no-fuss setup right out of the box. For the price, it's a solid investment in your drink storage. Now, if the setup issues were a concern for you, the next product might really grab your attention. Product number 4, EUHOMY 4.5 CUFT Beverage Refrigerator. Now let's talk about the EUHOMY 4.5 CUFT Beverage Refrigerator, also priced at $269.99. This bigger model can hold up to 145 cans, which is impressive. If you need something that can accommodate larger gatherings or just plenty of drinks, this might fit the bill perfectly. The Whisper Quiet compressor keeps everything cool without being disruptive. Operating below 40 dB, that's really important if you're placing it in a living space or bedroom. Plus, the double-pane tempered glass door ensures optimal insulation and blocks UV rays. Here's why this matters. It means your drinks are not only cold but also protected from light damage, preserving their taste. Some users did express concerns about the energy consumption, which is a bit higher than smaller models. But honestly, if you're regularly hosting and need that extra capacity, it balances out with its performance. This is perfect for you if you love entertaining and need a lot of cold drink space. Skip this if you're looking for something compact. For its size, it offers great value and convenience. Alright, that was a great choice for larger needs. But the last product on our list is a unique option you might want to check out. Product number 5, Isigly Beverage Refrigerator. Last but not least, we have the Isigly Beverage Refrigerator, priced at $189.99. This mini fridge has a capacity of 126 cans and is perfect if you want something budget-friendly yet efficient. If you're looking for a straightforward solution to keep your drinks cold, this is a solid pick. It operates quietly at about 36 dB, so you won't be disturbed while it's running. The touch panel allows for precise temperature control, ranging from 34 degrees F to 64 degrees F. Here's why that's significant. It gives you flexibility, whether you're storing beers or soft drinks. On the downside, some users mention that the build quality isn't as premium as other brands. But here's my take. For this price point, you're getting a reliable fridge that does the job well, and that's what really matters. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget but still want a functional mini fridge. Skip this if you're looking for high-end features. It offers great value for the money without sacrificing performance. And now that we've covered all 5 options, let's quickly recap what we've seen. So there you have it, the top 5 mini fridges for your kitchen. From the spacious H-Ohm Labs to the budget-friendly Isigly, there's something for everyone. Whether you're entertaining guests or just need to keep your drinks cold, these fridges are all solid choices. Choose the one that fits your needs and enjoy your chilled beverages.